This is Reg Kitchen, and today I want to share you guys how to make pasta or Italian pasta. So let's do this. So the water is boiling, so I want to put some salt. Then I have here 100 grams of pasta, Italian pasta. So let's put it on inside. Okay, so I have here pan. I put some olive oil. This is delicious. Then garlic and tomatoes. So I used 20 pieces of tomatoes and 3 garlic, so for 100 grams of pasta. So delicious. Then I have here basil or basilico. So you just wait for to come out the juice and flavor of tomato and garlic. This is very simple and easy, yet very delicious and very healthy food. So as you can see guys, the pasta absorb the juice and flavor of tomatoes and the garlic of course. So it's so yummy and creamy. So now I need to add some cheese to get more delicious and yummy. So, yum yum. So here we go, the finished product of my pasta Italian with tomato, fresh tomato, garlic and basil. So yummy. So this is the finished product of my pasta version of pasta with tomato. So yummy. Let's eat.